we'd like to talk to you about sustainability. I'm Blockhead, and this is my co-host, Phil.
I used to be a rock.
Thanks, Phil. We're here to answer questions for some random kids' homework task. Let's start with the first question.
What can we do to reduce our waste at home?
Good question. Well, one idea is to make toys or puppets out of old stuff, just like us.
Yeah,
Phil, that's no way to behave in the show.
delicious.
Okay, time for the next question.
How can my house be more sustainable?
Well, what sort of house do you live in?
I live on the moon.
Maybe you could install some solar panels up there.
Yeah,
And now we're going to cross to our reporter in the field, Ratty.
hi guys.
Hey, Ratty. All right, here's your question. What will happen to the world if we continue our unsustainable ways?
Well, the world be covered in trash, and that means I get more food. And, the humans will be gone, and the rest will take over the world. That's good, by the way. Bye, guys.
I don't think that sounds good.
No, not good at all. I think we should all recycle.
Sounds great.
Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Recycle Puppet Show!
Yeah!